Hello, my name is Makari Sanders, and I am the #1 fan of Matt Snyder. So I made this video to ask Matt Snyder, may he come to Americus, Georgia, and come get me tickets to one of his concerts because I don't have enough money to go to one of these concerts, and it's all the way in Los Angeles or in another state. I live all the way in Georgia. So Matt Snyder, I'm making this video and ask you, will you come get me? Because I love you so much. You're my #1 singer and rapper. I love you so much. I live in Americus, Georgia, 31709. I live on 206 Norwood Drive. That's 206 KNOLL Wood Drive. My name is Makari Zanders. It's MKYREEZANDRS. I love you, Matt Snyder. Come get me.